Have you ever wondered if an alien spacecraft once flew past Earth, silently, swiftly, and vanished before we even noticed? In October 2017, astronomers at the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii detected a strange object passing through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which means a messenger from afar arriving first in Hawaiian. But this was no ordinary asteroid or comet. It traveled at an unusually high speed, had an elongated cigar-like shape, and most puzzling of all, it accelerated as it exited the solar system, without emitting gas or showing signs of propulsion. How can something in space accelerate on its own? And why did it behave so differently from everything we've seen before? Could Oumuamua be a reconnaissance probe from an extraterrestrial civilization? Or was it merely a bizarre cosmic coincidence? An object that came and went like a ghost, leaving behind a trail of questions that scientists still struggle to answer. Oumuamua wasn't just a strange space rock, it shook the entire field of astronomy. When first detected, Oumuamua was speeding through the solar system at 196,000 miles per hour, 315,000 kilometers per hour. Scientists quickly realized its trajectory did not align with any known celestial body. This was the first interstellar object ever observed by humanity. But what truly baffled researchers was its shape and movement. It was incredibly elongated, about 10 times longer than it was wide, a ratio unprecedented in nature. Some simulations even suggested it could be as flat as a pancake. Even stranger, Oumuamua experienced a slight acceleration as it left the solar system, without any sign of gas release like a comet. No exhaust, no dust trail, no known force to explain this motion. Some scientists labeled it a rare natural phenomenon, but Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard had a bold theory. Oumuamua could be a piece of alien technology, a light sail crafted by an extraterrestrial civilization. While controversial, the idea sparked a global conversation. Did we just miss our first contact with intelligent life beyond Earth? Across millions of observed space objects, comets and asteroids dominate the cosmic landscape. Their paths are predictable, their compositions well understood, and they always leave signs: dust, gas, or melting ice. Take Halley's Comet, for instance, famous for its 76-year orbit. Every time it nears the sun, it glows brilliantly, trailing a plume millions of kilometers long. Asteroids, like those in the belt between Mars and Jupiter, are rocky, irregular, and stable in their motion. But Oumuamua defied all these norms. It emitted no light, no tail, no signs of melting. It didn't rotate smoothly, but tumbled erratically, as if it had an uneven internal structure. And the most baffling part? It accelerated without any visible propulsion. If it's an asteroid, why so long and thin? If it's a comet, where's the gas, the glow, the vapor? It's like seeing a metal bird hovering in the jungle and convincing yourself it's just a very big parrot. When Oumuamua appeared, the scientific world was caught completely off guard. No probe was close enough. No mission could reach it in time. In a blink, the mysterious object had slipped beyond our grasp, leaving behind vague data and countless unanswered questions. This event jolted major space organizations like NASA, ESA, and private institutes into action. We need to be better prepared. If Oumuamua was a messenger, will the next one come sooner and stay shorter? Today, scientists are pushing for interstellar object interception missions, such as Project Lyra, an ambitious plan to launch a spacecraft after Oumuamua using solar sails or advanced ion propulsion. Breakthrough Starshot, originally aimed at Alpha Centauri, now reconsidered as a way to reach future Oumuamua-like visitors. But time is the real enemy. Interstellar visitors like Oumuamua may only come once in a lifetime. The question is, next time, will we be fast enough to reach them before they vanish into the void? Imagine this. An advanced alien civilization, perhaps millions of light years away, has launched thousands of silent probes like Oumuamua across the galaxy, each one designed to gather data and quietly scan for signs of life. And then one day, one of them passes through our solar system, Oumuamua. If that's true, then its unusual acceleration might not be random. It could be a signal, a reaction indicating it found something of interest. Maybe it recorded a transmission. Maybe it sent a message back. And if it did send a message, then someone out there now knows Earth exists. Here's another possibility. What if Oumuamua is part of an automated interstellar survey system, much like humanity's Voyager probes? When such a device detects artificial signals, like our radio waves, it doesn't respond. It simply records the data and leaves. What if we just passed an entrance exam for intelligent life and didn't even know it? Oumuamua has left our solar system, taking all its secrets with it. We may never know for sure what it was, a piece of intergalactic debris flung across space, or an intelligent probe with a silent mission. But it's the uncertainty that makes it both haunting and beautiful. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. Every time we look up, we're staring into millions of years of history. And somewhere out there, someone might be looking back, wondering the same things about us. Is Earth just another forgotten dot, or is it something worth noticing? Oumuamua may have been a solitary wanderer, or perhaps it was the first word in a conversation we don't yet understand. So the real question is, when the next visitor comes, what will we do differently? For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars with wonder, fear, and longing. We've imagined beings beyond our world, some godlike, some monstrous, some just like us. But deep down, we've always assumed one thing. We are special. We are alone. We are the center. Oumuamua may have been just a rock, or it might have been the first whisper from a distant intelligence. But here's the unsettling truth. What if we're not ready to hear the answer? We've barely begun to understand our own planet, our own species. We still fight over borders, beliefs, and resources. We search the skies for signs of life. Yet how would we respond if life answered back? Would we welcome it, fear it, deny it? The possibility that we are not alone forces us to confront a deeper question. What does it mean to be human in a universe full of others? Maybe the real reason Oumuamua passed us by is because we weren't ready. Not scientifically, but emotionally, philosophically, collectively. Carl Sagan once said, "The universe is not required to be in perfect harmony with human ambition." So, we must ask ourselves, not just as scientists, but as a species, are we truly prepared to meet the other? Or are we still waiting to first meet ourselves?